Here, the same blow-off valve that we used on the Polaris that was extremely loud, we have it on our Can-Am X3. There's a lot of blow-off valves out there that may look like ours, but they're not. There's a lot of Chinese knockoffs that guys are selling in these kits for either less money, more money. But there's one thing I can guarantee you is you're gonna have nothing but issues. We get it all the time. People are like, I bought a blow-off valve, it looks like yours, it's leaking. Do you sell a rebuild kit? We don't sell a rebuild kit. Ours are rebuildable. They're not the Chinese ones. We don't sell any Chinese stuff. We don't care if ours costs more, but we're never gonna sell an inferior product. So our blow-off valve's piston is polished. It doesn't stick, it's rebuildable. They don't have issues with them. We don't have stuff falling off of them. The nipples aren't breaking off. So guys always ask us what sets yours apart from everyone else's that's on, you know, Amazon, eBay, or on the website, or they're selling it on these Facebook pages. Is that ours don't fail. That's simple as that. We've tested it for over 1,000 miles on our Polaris XP4. We have tested it on a ton of units, and we've never had issues. We're not using any filters on them. We're not putting outerwears on them. We don't need them. You don't need them. They just simply work. And that's exactly what we've done with this X3. It is the same blow-off valve, and we're more than happy to show it to you guys. This blow-off valve is super easy to install. The blow-off valve itself is going to come already on the silicone coupler, and you're going to attach it there, and you're going to attach it up there on the actual intercooler itself. It takes 20 minutes. It's super easy. It's not difficult. See it up there a little bit? Kind of hard to see, but easy to get to. It's literally using worm gear clamps, 2 connections, that's it. Once you have it there, you're gonna come over here, put the billet, put that billet piece on the plenum here, and run your silicone hose back up to the blow-off valve, and that's it. It's a cakewalk. No special instructions, no special anything. We're not using any filters or down tubes on these. You can literally dump right there. Just dump it between the motor and the turbo, and it's fine. You're not gonna get any debris in there. It's constantly blowing air. So yeah, that's our blow-off valve. Let's cut to it. Let's go see how loud it is. All right, guys, we're on a closed road here in Mexico. We're gonna be testing our blow-off valve. Should be closed here any minute anyways. We got a permit, so. Guys, you heard it first. That's our blow-off valve. Typical. It's always the loudest one on the market. Give us a call, 402-657-3653. We have them on Amazon. We have them on eBay. Below, our number's in the description. Hit us up.